Well, good morning and welcome to CM 391 online. This is your safety course. In case you forgot, over spring break, it's been a while. But this is our first day back. Today is Tuesday. And as I told you, we're going to be doing things asynchronous. So that means there are going to be due dates for assignments. But as far as when the class actually happens, that's up to you. You need to get online and be responsible. You guys are all adults. You can do this. I believe in you. But I'm going to go ahead and post this video this morning, and you guys are going to be able to see it so that you know what's going on in the class. You got the email, so you kind of understand what's going on. I just put out an announcement this morning that we are not going to have any quizzes moving forward, but there are going to be some additional assignments. Probably each week there will be an assignment, as there is this week. And I'm going to go over what that is with you so that you understand what's going on. But as mentioned, Thursday before spring break, really wasn't sure what was going to happen with the OSHA 30 card. At this point, there's not a lot I can do about the OSHA 30 card. Now, that is obviously a benefit of the class, but not necessarily the reason that the class is being taken. For some of you, it's a tech elective, and for some of you, it's a required course in construction management. And so there still is that benefit. You still get to take the course, learn from the course, and pass the course. I don't see any decrease in the amount that you will learn through this course. You know, obviously it's going to be different being online, but it's not going to have different content. You're still going to have a final project, and I mentioned to you that that final project is going to be a video that you're going to post to BB Learn, but it's not going to be the same video projects. We're not going to do it in groups. Everybody's going to do their own. And then also, we're going to have a final in this class, but I'm not sure what that's going to look like yet. So I'll let you know as that time comes. But I really want you to be online. I will send announcements if there's new stuff online, but be checking your calendar for due dates. I'm going to make things in this class due on Tuesday evenings. So end of the day Tuesday is when things are going to be due in this class. Your assignment that's coming up is going to be due end of the day Tuesday in this class. And so make sure you're on top of that. If you get behind in the course, you're not going to be able to catch up. So even though this requires some responsibility on your part, you need to be adults and stay on top of it. I will be posting some lectures, but some of it will just be assignments. Like this week, I'm going to introduce you to this assignment, but the learning that you're going to do is going to happen on your own. And it's not anything that I need to teach you. It's something that you need to look into, write, and experience all on your own. Okay, if you do not have your OSHA book with you, that's okay. OSHA.gov, you can get to all of the 1926 standards that you need to get to. You do not need your book to complete this class because it's online. Your book is online. And so I just thought about this as I'm talking, but maybe I'll post a link to the 1926 OSHA standards and where you can get to that, but just Google it, OSHA.gov. You can find the standards. Should be pretty easy for you to find. You guys are all pretty technically savvy. So I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to announce to you before I talk about what the assignment's going to be for this week, but I can't think of anything. All right. Hopefully you guys are all staying safe, staying healthy. Let me know if there's anything that's going on in your life that you need to talk to me about for this class. But other than that, please send me emails, give me feedback, leave comments on the video in YouTube, whatever you want to do. I'll put all these things in YouTube in a playlist so that you can go down through that playlist. You don't have to necessarily find it in BB Learn, but you can get to that playlist pretty easy. But I just I hope the remainder of this class is valuable for you. And that's my goal, is to make it valuable for you. Not to make it hard on you, not to make it rigorous on you, but to make it valuable for you. And to do that, you need to obviously do some work. So there is going to be work involved in making this valuable for you. So let me go into the assignment that you're going to be doing this week. And I'm going to do a screen share here. So bear with me as I surf through this. But I'm going to go to BB Learn here. And so this is what you guys should see. See, my student preview is on. But you've got your future quizzes. We're not doing future quizzes. You got my welcome announcement, shake and bake. That's all I'm saying. And then welcome to CM 391, where I give you an update of how the class is going to go. Over here on the left, you can see syllabus still there, announcements. I've got it opening to the announcement page so that you're always going to see that. And then here's where you're going to go. You're going to go to content. And in here, you'll see my presentations that you've seen so far, assignments, but I'm going to start posting assignments that are due right now. Okay, if you look in here, you got the caught in between fatal facts. So this is where you can submit that to me. So go ahead and put that in here by Thursday. End of day Thursday is when that's due. Okay, but from now on, I'm going to be posting like week 10 content. This is 323. That's this week. That was yesterday. That's the beginning of the week. And so this is the accident case study. So in here, you're going to find the assignment. So in here, we have a case study of an accident that happened on a job site. And there's a lot of different parts to this. So if you open it up, it's going to open as a Word file. So let's wait for that to come up. Okay, so the accident, Mega Builder, Money Buns Development, all this, Mr. Buff HVAC. There's multiple subcontractors involved in this. There's an owner, there's a contractor, there's somebody that got hurt and turned into a paraplegic, and a family. And down here at the bottom, you'll see contractual relationships between everybody. And these are kind of the same questions. OSHA liability, which OSHA construction standards were violated, which contractors does OSHA recommend citations to, if any, and why. And then there's civil liability, and the case is ultimately worth $5 million. So you're going to have to figure out how to split that $5 million up as far as who's liable and who's going to get those fines and who's going to have to pay that $5 million. Okay, so this is the case study itself. Now, going back to BB Learn, the accident case study and liability assignment. This is the actual assignment. And so your boss, so you're an engineer. So you are working as a junior engineer, and your boss, the project manager, enters your office, and he is going to have you go investigate this accident. The boss instructs you to find out what happened, then asks you to prepare a report in business letter format. The letter will be addressed to Joe Fleabitz down here. You can see that. And then there's 5 different things that you're going to need to be doing, or that you're going to need to write about in this letter. These 5 things will be graded in your rubric for this assignment. A complete description of the accident and your assessment of why it occurred, which specific OSHA standards were violated, and what sort of liability does the firm have in terms of an OSHA inspection and fines. Your letter should provide reasoning for why you think each contractor will be cited. Okay? A discussion that demonstrates your understanding of the contract and general conditions, and where you feel the fault will fall between the contractor, owner, and the subcontractors. Okay, down here, you will find the AIA 101 contract, which is the contract between the owner and the contractor, and then the AIA 201, which is the contract between, or it's the general conditions of the contract. Okay? And so I want you to go through those. I want you to look for where it talks about safety. I want you to look for the contractual relationships there. That's going to be important for that part of the discussion. Let's see here. A discussion of the defense cost. Who pays for the $5 million claim that is filed by Mrs. Whipley? That's the wife of the guy that's paraplegic now. Why will they be held responsible? And then I'm going to grade you on your letter appearance and writing, concise, complete sentences, logical flow, no spelling errors. Okay, you guys can do that. You guys are smart. You guys can do that. Okay, so this is your assignment for the week. This is going to be due Tuesday night, 11:59 p.m. Okay, so it's going to be due by Tuesday night of next week. And so this is all that you're going to have to do. I'm not going to post any more on here. I'm going to post some announcements or, some updates. If somebody comes back with questions, I'll try to answer that for everybody. But this is what you're going to be doing for the rest of this week and weekend. Don't wait till the last minute. This is a pretty big assignment. It's so big, I almost thought about making this a 2-week assignment. But you guys can do this in 1 week, especially if we're not in a class and you're just sitting around at home. This is very, very doable. But I want it to be thorough. I want it to be complete. And if you wait till Monday or Tuesday to do this, it's not going to be thorough. It's not going to be complete. You have not put in the thought that is required for this assignment. And so make sure that you start on it early. At least read through the case study, read through AIA 101, AIA 201, download them, maybe make some highlights of where the safety stuff is in it, and lay out your letter. That's enough. That's probably an hour or two's worth of work. And then you can go back and start doing some more analysis and some more research. This may require research beyond just this and your OSHA book. You can do research online. You can do your own research, okay? Do not copy anybody's stuff, okay? And do not copy and paste out of online. Not that this is online or anything, but I want you to do your own work. I don't want any plagiarism on this. All right? So I hope that everybody understands this, but if you don't, just let me know. Okay, I'm going to stop the share here, go back to my studio, better known as my bedroom and my room, because there's teenagers running around out there and I can't find a quiet place to make a video. So that's where I am. Give me a call. If you call my office number, it's going to forward to my cell phone. So give me a call if you have any questions. I can do a Zoom meeting. We can go over things. If you want to show me something, you can screen share with me. It's super easy to do. So don't be afraid of that or scared away from doing that. We can do a Zoom meeting and we can screen share and make that really easy for you. If you want to show me what you're working on. So just call me, email me. We'll figure something out. I'm around, okay? So I'm here to help you, through this transition. Don't worry, okay? Don't worry, this class is gonna go fine. I don't think there's anything else that I need to talk to you about. So stay safe, stay healthy. Love you guys, miss you guys, and I hope you have a great week if I don't talk to you. And leave comments and everything else if you want to.